Hello and welcome to this first lecture of this new section on how to become excellent in business analytics. So this section we will give you an overview of how to become excellent in business analytics, and we will start by taking a look at that in this and the next lecture. So any thoughts on how can you become excellent in business analytics? Anything that you know, you recall, you can talk. Any thoughts on that? See, becoming excellent in business analytics requires a combination of technical skills, strategic thinking, and ability to apply data-driven insights effectively in business context. Now, what are the various steps that you can take? Let's take a look at them. So first, what you need to do is to build a strong foundation in data and analytics. And there, what you need to do is to learn key concepts like understand data collection, cleaning, and preprocessing. Then you need to master the descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Uh, then you need to also develop technical skills in programming uh, like Python and R for data analytics and modeling. Then in database management, you need to gain proficiency in SQL to retrieve and manipulate data. Then you need to also know about visualization tools where you can use Tableau, Power BI, or Excel to create meaningful visual reports, and also statistical tools to understand hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and probability. Also need to build a strong foundation in data analytics by grasping analytics frameworks. You need to learn frameworks like CRISP DM, cross industry standard process for data mining to structure your analytics project. Also, you need to understand the business context and strategy. And there are three things you will need to do. First, you need to study the business fundamentals, learn about business functions such as marketing, finance, operations, and supply chain. Develop domain expertise by focusing on specific industries like retail, healthcare, or finance to understand its unique challenges and data requirements. And hone your ability for critical thinking by asking the right questions and defining clear objectives for analytics projects. So, like this, you need to understand the business context and strategy. You will also need to gain hands-on experience by working on projects in which you solve real-world problems using publicly available data sets or create simulated business scenarios. The examples of this could be sales forecasting, customer segmentation, or inventory optimization. Then you will need to work with companies to apply your skills in a professional setting by doing internships and freelancing, and also participate in competition and by joining platforms like Kaggle or analytics hackathons to refine your skills and learn from peers. You will also need to master communication and storytelling. And there are two things broadly you need to do in that. One is to learn how to translate data into actionable recommendation for stakeholders. And second thing is to focus on simplifying complex data using visuals and narratives. You will also need to master communication and storytelling, where you build your presentation skills, develop the ability to communicate findings effectively to non-technical audiences, and practice creating concise reports and impactful dashboards. So what do we do next? So we will look at more things that you need to do to become excellent in business analytics in the next lecture also. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on how to become excellent in business analytics in this course, Master in Business Analytics. I hope you continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.